May rampa si RC for today, everybody. Outfit check muna tayo. Charot kayo. Our cup is from Adidas. Bagong dating yan. Charot. Our Tommy t-shirts. And our shorts from Hollister. Our new shoes from Adidas. Charot na. And our bag for today from Amazon. Ano yan guys? Starry Night. Ano to siya na ba guys? Matchy-matchy to sa t-shirts ko na ano. Ito din yung print ng t-shirts ko. Hindi ko na siya sinuot today kasi next time na lang. Kasi feel ko ang mag pink for today. Charot. So yan guys, ready na kami. Nasa labas na kami. Papunta na kami. Actually guys, we will travel to COCHEM.
Oh. Good decision, my dear.
Good decision. We've, guys, anong tawag doon? We supposed not to do it today. And our originally planned is to Switzerland.
Oh, even a better idea.
Even better idea. But then I don't want in the moment like to do overnights or something. Just a day tour lang yung gusto ko in the moment. It's been since this plan for going to COCHEM guys, supposedly last year or long time ago na I really wanted to visit COCHEM, pero hindi lang talaga siya. And now, hindi sana din siya matutuloy because I've been lazy or I don't know what, or it's like unmotivated. So, yeah. Ito ba talaga ang feeling ng mga Pinoy abroad na there's something like you don't understand what is really happening, or I don't know guys. Is it really? Please comment down below if you know something what is happening to me. It's because of my age, I'm getting old, or I don't know. Ang tatawa si partner. So I lost interest of anything guys, of new things or something like that in the moment. So
You are homesick.
maybe I am homesick. I don't know. I lost my interest of do something talaga guys. So today partner said we have to go out because it's been since Thursday I'm just in the house and it's already Wednesday guys. Di ba almost 1 week na akong nasa bahay lang. And then it's supposedly my vacation. So and it's in the middle of my vacation na, it's almost finished. And then we didn't do anything else in the moment. So sabi ni partner, we have to go out, we have to do something. Yeah, so okay, we have to do something at least today. So our travel guys would take us 2 hours, 1 hour tour there, and then drive back home another 2 hours. So yun lang. This is just the city of COCHEM lang yung ipapakita natin, yung titingnan ko kung maganda ba doon. You've been there, right?
Yeah, but very long time ago.
50 years ago?
No.
20 years ago?
60 years.
Oh my god, 6.
No.
30 years ago, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so welcome to COCHEM. Medyo na lang kami guys. Medyo naghahanap lang kami ng park because it's very hard to look for a parking kasi ang daming tao. Medyo madami na talagang tao guys. I think we will go here. Wala? I don't know. Okay.
Looks nice.
Yes. Look guys, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda niya no. May mga grapes pa siya guys. Ang dami ng tao. It's all
green.
Yeah. Yeah, 4 PM na guys. So kakarating lang namin sa tamang-tama. Dito na kami magdi-dinner. And I hope we will find something nice here. But first, we will just walk around and look if... Yeah, anyways. Maganda. This is my first time here. Ang ganda dito guys kasi ang daming ano. There's a lot of things you can shops or I don't know. Ang ganda niya guys. My God. From Mosul. I really like this one. Ang ganda niya. Let's check kung ano ang nasala. Ano ang nasaan niya guys. I want to see. Nagagandahan ako. Nagagandahan ako guys. Wait lang. Schön. Schön, gell? I will get it. Nakahanap na si Arcii. Bibili natin to guys. Ayan na ang riverside. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito oh. We can buy house there.
Yeah.
Very expensive, right? I was looking for the castle, guys. Pero, oh, I think there's the castle, guys. Nandyan yung castle. Punta tayo sa other side, guys, para makita natin yung castle. Ayan yung castle, guys. There's the castle. So, ayun na nga. Hindi na namin alam kung saan kami pupunta guys kasi this is a very small city and ang daming tao. Although we are planning to have dinner here but then lakad-lakad lang kami. No, konti lang guys. Konti lang. Lakad-lakad. No. May mga park pa sila doon. And this guys, you can also ride this one and then up to where?
Up and down the river.
Okay.
Just a round tour.
Pwede kang mag-dinner dyan. And guys, nag-transfer kami. Nag-transfer kami from the other side. Diyan tayo galing kanina, naglalakad-lakad kasi nandito yung castle, di ba? Tapos dito sa side, may mga restaurants. Tapos, ang view natin is yan. Yung castle na yan. So kaya nag-transfer kami ng parking dito at maghahanap tayo ng restaurants because I will treat partner for dinner tonight because he drove us here. Charot. So buti na lang, we're lucky to find a parking space here. Kasi ang ganda naman ng view, di ba? Look at our view. Uy. So yan yung castle. Sayang hindi tayo makakapunta sa castle guys kasi it's not so interesting naman. I don't know. Basta para for me, it's not so interesting guys. Ang ganda lang siya dito sa ibaba ng sa ibaba ng castle kasi mga bahay yan iba. Mga bahay. Tapos dyan is mga restaurants na yan na yung guys, downtown ng COCHEM.
Wilberi Lile
Okay.
oder Kirmose mit Weinbeerpfirsich-Likör und Moseko.
Okay,
klingt
das.
gut.
Genau.
Zwei?
Nein, ich bin mit dem Auto.
Wasser.
Ein Wasser.
Nakahanap na tayo ng, wait, pakita natin yung ating. Kasi yung castle, kita yung castle? there. Ayan. Ang ganda ng castle, no? So, nakahanap na tayo ng place.
Das hier ist Zander, ein
Ja,
Fisch.
ja.
In
Gibraltar.
Ei
Aha.
und Rucola-Salat.
Ja.
Oder hier ist Pfifferlinge. Das ist diese orangenen kleinen Pilze.
Ach so.
Gibt es
Was
hier
ist
nochmal
das?
mit Schweineschnitzel,
Nein.
mit Pfifferlingsoße.
So, kain tayo dito guys sa local food nila. Wala pang masyadong tao dito. Kami pa sa ata or kami ang ikatatlo. Di ba? Ang ganda ng view natin. Ito ang ating wish. Kaya nag-transfer tayo dito ng space. Naghanap tayo ng ganitong ano. Drinks is there.
Schön für das.
Thank you.
Mhm. Perfekt.
So,
Du weißt schon,
Ja,
Ähm,
ich nehme diese und sende ein.
Zander.
lecker.
Musst du auch.
Wo kommt der her, der Zander?
Von Mosel.
Kommt aus der Mosel?
Da, direkt.
Gut. Habe ich oft, ja. Nein, ich nehme ein Schnitzel Italia.
Möchten Sie dazu eine Beilagssalat?
Nein, das wird zu viel.
Alles klar.
Okay, ja.
Cheers. Dankeschön.
Oh, danke dir.
Ang bango, ang sarap. You wanna zip?
Peach.
Yeah.
Ja. Oh ja.
Yeah, ang bango. You can have one. Hindi siya pwede guys
Did you
kasi.
drive?
Magda-drive kasi siya so hindi siya pwede. You have a good view there.
Yeah. You can sit here.
No, I want for the video. Para sa ating mga subscribers, you will get the best views, di ba? Sa camera guys, ang layo niya tingnan yung yung castle, but if you sit here, it's very near, right?
Yeah.
At the camera, it looks so far. I also have a nice view here, the shopping stores.
Yeah.
Oh yes, this is my dream, charot. My dream view.
For every day.
Yeah, for every day.
Von Haus, ja?
Oh.
Laufen mit Zwiebel, ja?
Ah, ja.
Bitte schön.
Danke.
Thank you. Meron tayong ditong appetizer from the house. Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit.
It's egg.
Yeah.
So yung in-order ko na isda guys is from this river, right?
Oh, yeah. The fish.
Yeah. Fresh from the river.
Yeah.
How did they get it?
They buy it.
So,
They don't. In the hotel, they don't. Somewhere. There's a fisherman.
I thought they just go there and
Ja, das ist.
Was schmeckt?
Ja, was lecker. Danke schön.
Schön.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Bitte schön.
Dankeschön.
Italierschnitzel?
Ja, das finde ich.
Also,
Bitte schön.
Dankeschön.
oh, Dankeschön.
Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit.
Dankeschön.
Guten Appetit. Guys, meron ako dito. Ito yung local food dito sa Mosul, COCHEM. Isda to. Galing dyan. Galing sa sapa. At si
1 hour ago.
1 hour ago. Si partner meron siyang pork schnitzel. So parang pork chops. Italian way.
Style. Or whatever.
Yes. Good appetit.
Appetit.
So I want to try. Of course. Let's try.
No?
It's salty, it's bitter. Yeah, get.
Want to try this? It's with cheese. Baked cheese. Oh.
Sarap.
Das ist lecker.
Mag-order pa sana ako ng wine. Umalis agad yung waitress. Itong french fries guys, partner to niyan sa kanya. I don't like this. Boiled potato kasi yung partner ng aking fish. Ang sarap siya guys. Hindi ko lang maintindihan yung lasa. Tapos meron ditong red cabbage. Tapos rucola. Puro mapapait yung lasa. So kaya mapait yung lasa. Yung aking ano. Yung sa kanya guys is ano, with cheese and tomatoes. Thank you.
Alles okay, schmeckt?
Ja, wunderbar.
Prost. Naihas yung Arcii. I'm drunk. Nalasing ako guys sa aperitif na ano, drinks. Lasing na ako guys. Buti na lang hindi ako magdadrive. Good that I don't drive.
So, ja.
I'm already drunk.
Ja.
So the rest,
Wie du machst.
10,000 ver.
Pausen wir.
Mag-exchange kami guys. Pork chop kasi yung order niya. Das ist langweilig.
Haben wir wieder tauschen?
Nein. Tapos na ako guys. Naubos ko din. Hindi pala. Binalik ko kay partner. Tapusin ko to. Tapos uwi na kami. And then I'm already drunk. Hindi kasi kami. We haven't had breakfast, ka?
No, I had. You haven't.
Yeah. But no, on the way we dropped by in the highway. And
Yeah.
then you bought us muffins.
That's all. One muffin you had.
Yeah,
Okay.
but at least I ate all. But anyways, thank you for today. It was unplanned but
Spontaneous.
spontaneous but nice.
Thank you. I thank you for this delicious meal. It's really good.
Yeah, for me, my fish is. I mean, the food, guys, is very delicious and the place is wonderful. And I'm drunk. Charot.
Es hat sich gelohnt.
Yeah. So yun guys, thank you for watching. Did you enjoy? Please like the video. Thank you po. Cheers again. Cheers.
Cheers.